Nkethinkatho na ntune mutegeri bwega ntuba kuona kanya kugwatanira na unikiri Weru Thaa Mugwanja mitagwa NTINYARI KINYUA tukenjiria ntiso chietu ari mwanene ba maskuri ni bori tu abatekenge ari tobara berigaira basari kenda bathoma na kuringana na mutetheria wakwe kiri obisi ya mubungi wa Mara noe Timothy Kinegeni augite thirikari itirarekeria kigina kia basari kiri abunge noriti achiari gutigira ni bakurombera rutha ana bao kenda batirengwa skuru Mati Mugambi na utariria.
Ndiendaga kuga mbele kuga nituthiete wega tuona program yetu ya gutetheleria ana na still tuli omupango niu na nkiraga atori betu na members antu betu ba Mara constituency baumaomererie kidogo nitontu ndalili boi kuoneka mbesa ji ambasari iria tumba gutethia na jiwana Januari bagicoka skuru tenkinyu kwogu ajiari betu ona bala bena ana bala tuwejaga 10,000 ona bala tuwejaga ngiri 20 ona baba special ona baba bangi majiari beka kamwe kidogo muntu edwe tayari nontu eto kuona igacererwa nontu already mbesa jia CDF kutijo irari ikuririsewa na no tugu expect jieja kwoguo na bibukala ireria buri ajiari automatically ni bukuona igacererwa itomba gutediana kiumia kiu kingi bagicoka skuru kwoguo turi balombaga puru kwa unyenyekevu bebanga bange nikenda rire ikeja at least wedu okumba gutonyia mwana skuru onokadio kaumba gwite kwaraniria na mwalimu ukedwa kimenya mwana waku already ni beneficiary nonto na alimu ne bakwelewa buria gukari still ke alimu betu batigatwike vile kile ajiari baria tutethagia na mbesa yuji ya ambasari nonto ne bakwelewa timbeju no baregeshe kamba kidogo mujiari eja kine ariria akinetetera bukabadikagiria tafadhali tuli bolombo guta obisi please alimu betu principals head teachers bugwata gwatiria nini ana batu gucoka skuru tafadhali dikiriania ajiari betu bukielea gwa kiliro gigiku na kadina gakeo nontu bwa gucererwa bwa mbesa jia CDF.
Nteto ingi na ndembe umbethe kuma Nteto Chigembe ni bachumirite gutariria thinere nene bagukurukira kagita gaka bakiuga ni waki bwango geni bakuromba thirikari yenye Kenya Kwanza rungu rwa Rais William Ruto kurikana mawira ne bara jara bekire be umbethe kagita gakuringa kampeni mwaka muthiru
magitene jama ingi bari antuba bethi bariuga nibo batumikaga muno ni asiasa weja egitaria siasa uga nibo bagutumika kampeni-ine indi asiasa bari kia igutonyitine antu babethi baba bakoriria na nandi baba ingi ntereni isia egembe bariuga botenango isia gwita no kaba kurura mishiene na maturene
Mareto ambetawa David Mukaria Mwiti ndi muyuthi mwegembe na tukaua turethera twina Ruto at one to celebrate Ruto at one but to the celebration tukuona the unemployment rate remaining very high tu kama ayuthi batu nao twaere bakoneka ero handouts kwa tuika nyango ira awa aka create job creation ira wete otebe turamenya kuona wale ile side yenge county government mama anto edra ko empower youths kutuika MTF uko nekira barabara uko nekira contractor banja mero eli tuina contractors mero etu na youth bomba kulitangoira the moment wa approach anto kuma na unjaba ya kulitangoi we expect youth baba rita livelihood na
currently look ya kolelia youth baba ngi badiri universities badiri high school. Our president during his campaign he promised us that there will be creation of job opportunities for us as the youths. After 1 year burara umbikiri otwira ni otwira tuture nze Kenya twaswengwe burankori atire it is the responsibility of the government to create jobs in its jurisdiction to expose ke outside the countries tutakuromba ngwendhe butano narabo kona ntu betano bakiarabo besimba bakwire bakara thina batekona nya good working conditions itokona ndola no kwa kuendelea witia against the Kenyan shillings bato to thoma miaka 20 atoka ta skills yeto ndese butano onde mu ano ndemu ndaka embethi ndirite university la inteni yangu branku ana atrete on yake kuna thousands of young people who have finished school and what they are lacking is opportunities. Currently birabi kuwa promoted inaitwa modern slave trade ni atre ni ramuntu athoma every na skills yake eka lazima ete aswe ngoe nthingi na nthingi toka inyilo tokona good working conditions tokona nya salary embea twesokare Kenya nya in the casket. That is not the rightful thing for the government to do. I'm kindly requesting you honor your promises.
Thina ni twikite mwarimu kiribo na bariuga ibaromire batitumiro ringi
rero tweyete turomba kura ne yete akiwa okiria anto boda boda na mama mboga thai re ruto ayukirite keke au president itonete otengo ethere togirita mwaka yoyo mwe na tukelelia koko eto yembe to were imaromba agoturetera retera anto development yoba kwenda.
Dennis Mugendi, Weru TV, mushini o Maua, kaunti ya Meru.
Arigitani nebo clinical officers ni barombete thirikari nene kuongera kigina kiria bethagirwa bathuririte rwangirwo gima bakiuga bobo bugatetheria kiri kuringa njeki rwangiru runguruki ni bugite wagi bwa mathagaja kung'ana ni thinengi inene ira ithairwa irumirite rwangirwa ugima. Anthony Kathenya gatumenyiwe.
What pending bills that is to KEMSA from the county government means that KEMSA will not be able to supply these essential drugs and supplies to these facilities. And of course, it's that Kenyan who suffers. They suffer, one, because they cannot be able to get that drug in the hospital. There is delay of treatment leading to complications, and of course, more expensive treating those complications. And also, they also suffer financially because they have to go out there and purchase these medication from private facilities, and of course that means an added cost apart from what they would have used if we had these drugs in the facilities. The issue and the root of the problem is the underfunding of health in general, because if you do not then fund health to what is expected, it means that either because the need is there, the demand is there, people are falling sick and people have to be attended to. So either a county has to probably procure without the money and therefore leading to deaths and the pending bills, or a governor may just let people suffer and decide that probably they'll get these drugs from the private facilities. So I think this should be a conversation in the summit. That brings together the president and the governors on how they can be able to take care of the pending bills, some of them very huge, so that then counties can be on the trajectory to stability in the health sector and especially in the essential supplies, and so that then we can be on the path to the achievement of universal health coverage. We have been vindicated as the union. Sometimes people think that we are politicking, but you have seen that the facility audit report that was issued the other day that actually indicated the real situation on the ground. We actually are very behind when it comes to the basic structure of a human resource that is needed to the achievement of universal health coverage. We do not have the basic equipments that we need. If you look at that report, the basic equipments that we actually do need to diagnose a Kenyan out there, and they're simple and cheap equipments, they are not available. So the health system is not healthy. Much needs to be done. And this cannot be a sectoral or a one-person's approach. It needs a task force to come together. It needs a roundtable discussion with all the players, so that then we can be able to get solutions, and solutions for posterity.
Ana bare kumantere chia katheri ntukwegoro ni bamukirite mataro jagitumi jegie mitugo imiega ondi berigiri kuthungira skulu cha secondary na nkuruki orabombekia kurumira kithomo kenda gutigira ni bagukira kiri guturo bwantu coach yejete mataro jaja rabanganite rungurwa kanisa ya Methodist toratugutariro ni mutugikarea
twejete kubaritana ntarira na mugambo uria bagakura bwega na bakare bwega na ibaitani mantu ya maingi muno peta secondary uria bakakarania na bange na bakethera bena nkurani muno rere tirere nana
ni migambo ya mere kenyura niwe mukarerigite wa ekurudene asaketi ya katheri na rimo bangani wa kigomano kia na barabara geretwe kiraskia binana mwanka muthiru na berigeri gweta secondary mwanka jojo are na baba oritana warabaika matata mwana wa mwari beta secondary mono barabageta skuru cha kwana irachithagira chitukeni aritwa kinya bandaka
tira tubathometora bakarania na ndaka nuntu kubagata skuru cia mate ora bagakarania nabo na ora bagakara kuthoma kithomo kiao kithiro gikari na inyayo menaja ibaitani nya discipline nyinge muno kweja inya cia riba giteo bakoro nikenda bagakara bwega na inya manto ya gutukatukia Nteto cio ndibari ibaitani manto ya mainge muno tentanira kina mugambo na inya kithomo kiao na inya giukristo ibaitani
kurukia na baba rene bamukirite moritani jegi guchukira ikithomo na urabagekira kithomo ni untu bamuturire ya werekeja na kinya moritani jegi ndini thaiji bagukura Reverend Murungamiri wasaketi eje pokena akiuga thaiji kuri na ndini nyingi na kinya chorongwira chikuangaratania mbewe mbithi
na tibona ya future yao ni na bata muno nkurukia mantu yange jonde na ndi ibagwiretwe na ibakarete bwega na itubaitane mantu kinya ya mtomeri mantu ya mission and evangelism ya oninda baitana jau ibaitani mantu ya awareness ibaitani mantu ya HIV kutia na mirimu yuke na ana bakakala bwega na baimenyere ntu wa mirimu erereku itubaitane mantu ya cults ndini ira ikumira ira kona ni china Mombasa cha na chokaura na nikena bakamenya ndini yama na bamenya ati Yesu Kristo noe wambirie ndini eu na baina wete kiboito baitanite bwega na ibakari bwega
muthiene kiriba mwe bana baraba mukirite moritani ja
era facilitators betu bwega ibatuitanite bwega mantoza maingi example choosing careers mission and evangelism how to choose good friends na zangiza maingi nenko ndiko advice achiari kothirawi na mwana uko mwari ukathiria next year make sure ukumureta ge nini ezonto ke program ezonto akathoma za maingi muno na itogwiritwe
kuma katheri wandini ya Bothugusi West gicigo mbunge kia Central Imenti ke report Nteto cia Weru riakwa rietwa ni mutugi kare
Katho chia mwanya kirigwa mutegeri tanambira kurumira Nteto chetu nchokirete nyume kagita gati kuraja na Nteto nkuruke
Why Meru Heights Luxury Apartment? Experience the world of Meru people like a local. Stay in a home, not a hotel. Whether a single, a couple, a family, or friends, Meru Heights will provide it all in a nutshell. Set within a walking distance from Meru town and the Greenwood City, you can experience Meru beautiful sceneries, facilities and services as you live in a luxury apartment surrounded by evergreen scenery. It's strategically located 1 kilometer from Getembene on Kadheri Dhongo Road and along the bypass. At Meru Heights Apartment, you are assured of sufficient clean water, 24/7 security, spacious parking and ample outdoor space with an aroma of different flowers that leaves you more relaxed. We have well-furnished 3-bedroom self-contained ensuite with a natural surrounding that gives you a cool breeze, fresh air and a skyline view of Mount Kenya and Nyambene Ridges. Call us on 0748 663 210 or email us info@meruheights.com. Meru Heights, the home of your unmatched comfort.
Guys,
Kadhu.
Yes.
Ija. Joy motu jore kwa turugera narwa.
Mtujonda kurete tukani na arakaja.
Jojo na kinyama no.
Ai.
Lakini ukamaka. Tuwakuretera mtu. Wa Afya Plus.
Afya Plus.
Joy motu.
He, juna mwanga vitamins na minerals. Anti ndeborugere. Kutegewe bombo ekete.
Afya Millers Cooperative Society Limited athonde kiba mituka de tunege tumero nande bakureterete Afya Plus mutujo ankima jongeri vitamin na minerals ya kuguna mwiri jwaku na nkimeri na shamaja boibo ikinyenduke ne kana supermarket rere kwena agwe wigurire mutujo ankima jwa Afya Plus umadrenja ya kuwinge yegekeno. Our Afya, our pride.
Are you ready to take the first step towards an exciting future after KCSE? At Jordan College of Technology, we are a community of dreamers, thinkers, innovators, and achievers. We train over 100 government-approved technical, medical, hospitality, and business courses in diploma, certificate, CBET, short courses, and driving. Our world-class campus offers a variety of co-curricular activities, state-of-the-art facilities, and lifelong networks beyond academics. Apply today for our ongoing January 2024 intake and turn your dream into a reality. Visit us at our new ultra-modern campus, Jordan Towers, Elimu Center, Kwame Nkrumah Street, Thika Town. Jordan College of Technology, the leading TVET and medical institution in Kenya.
Bwege gwetana mbere kurumira Nteto Weru Thaa Mugwanja tugichokera kariba Tharaka nibachumirite kuromba thirikari kubathondekera na mpwi barabara iria ciithiritwe ikinyangwa nyuma ya mbura El Nino irera uraga mwaka juju turakurukire baugite nibethirite bari na kagita gakomukire ugendi muno ndire apa kunogokia akaribara barikite gututiga Paul Kabithi na chitariria.
Kuringana na akaria babanyakinjero wa dini ya tia karigani ya tembura El Nino neombete kuthukangia imo cia barabara mono cia ndeni kwa ndeni maturani nterino cia Tharaka
kere barabara itikuthiika atongoria ibathibere thirikari nene na thirikari ya county barabara icigeretie kuthuka endero nino na irio tukuromba teno yonka ira ithukangite nkuruki waneno ni choke yegete bora nuntu
tukamatana migongo kwira nkareni ra mini kanda tuona bikibiki cia gutukamatira no tutithongira naga machinani kuringana bo barabara ikari kagita kambura tanjire no yumete nkareni ya thimagembe yakurukira muruma kanda yungura nyakinjero enugwa na magoro tutithiyaga baba ingi banono tutanigu no mbumete ndagurwa ntura no yaga ntundu mbumete magembe nigo ntithimo cia kagita kambura no arira mbura gakia kana nkathioroka nkathibwanjira yo barini yonde yaga ntundu kana kuthongera kinya nturengere agwetwa cia kamba agututhinete tukainya
kwanja tachieka mbatithe nenwere yagu
agahakaria babagituranirwa indegoro bora bakomagaria oraithiritwa ari mwarimu munene cukuru ya Matiri Primary bwana John Nyamo arabombire kona mukabo wa kurima barabara ino ya kuma Nkareni kuendera kwa Matanka na gutuka Mwanka kwa mwarimu uyu bantu wa kilomita 30 na tunge ndi musiasa kwa rito Paul Mugambi
tochokia nkatho muno ni nkugi bwega muno no ntonde aga mochie ndioragia ikombache kajera abathare as ibunda oria koro baba kuronda ba oria mbache kajera kora kini nkwani gukuremwa emunthe mbasi igakoroka bwega
kugi bwega murungu na mugaia bwega ndi ciamani no ntu munthe nkona kiathika thi bwega
arimu uyu gwetu kinya mbere apasi arangaga na kinya kuria ndaka kasi kwa vijana kuria akirutha njira kurutha kuoya maiga lakini amwe nobu mwakandareka mwicho pa Mugambi ona tukunyamara aya guturuthira barabara kwobu itogochokeria nkara mutongoria gwetu endelea gwobu utikagite moyo uturuthire nkuruki makiria agu
thainyanya cio tugu na inkuona mwana ojwe naroka pisa gutatoro enu yonthe ni bwega ke murungu kutharime baba igo tutira menya mantu mamwere turauga ngai agatuonia njira nuntu bwankari
Mugambi no akere no ugite gukurukira manya make gecuria gutigira barabara ni kuruguka ta njira ya kuthagaje biashara Nterino cia Tharaka
imo tukaruthana maragite ino tukaruthana njara kogu Tharaka yonthe twimigwatithania na njira ukegwa twina utongoria mea turutha njira tukarutha ndagacha ikagwatithania Ntere mwanya cia Tharaka across this big land kinya forgotten corners kinya kwa watiganirwe tugakisha ukwathania lakini baba takugwa bwega na baba kuthugane tukanoga tutinoga uyu mwambirio tu na 2024 ndio tukubekira pressure bwega ndi tukarutha monthe baba kuga pressure batasikia joto zaidi bakegwa mwanki na inya muno ndo tutaendelea kufanya hii kazi tukarutha ngama kwa gita riraya na tinjara chionka nontu wegonto konge kinya kutakarisa sawa especially mantu maigi kithomo na mantu maigi afya so utiomba tongoreria mugongo mwaji monko tongoreria tubena afya
Weru weekend kumantere cia Tharaka Bito Paul Gwakabithe
Katho cia mwanya kirigwa mutegeri kuona kanya kugwatanira na bautu Nteto inge na njira enkinyaniru no na charinga themo na nusumbe tagwa NTINYARI KINYUA ithiro na tuko inthonge